It's open water there.
Nine!
Yan ang gusto naman iturang ng rock TV ba?
Of all the many events on my current tour of the Northern Division, I've been especially looking forward to this, to celebrate the opening of the South Taveuni Secondary School. Nothing is more important to me as your Prime Minister than to ensure that our young people get the head start in life that a proper education provides. Every one of you students are the building block of the new Fiji we are striving to achieve, one based on equality and merit. We want to give you the opportunity to acquire knowledge, gain new skills, and prepare you for the challenges of a modern world that is much more competitive than it was when I was sitting in your place. Just as no one owes you a living, no one owes Fiji a living. We have to all work harder and to be smarter, to see opportunities when they arise and seize them as individuals and as a nation. The role of government is to provide you with as many opportunities as we can. Some of you will have the ambition to go to university. Work hard to pursue that dream. We are here to help poorer students who previously couldn't fulfill their dream with our new $2.2 million tertiary education loan scheme. I am currently looking at revamping the current loan and scholarship schemes so that any Fijian who wants a tertiary education can get one. So no Fijian student who gains university entrance will be prevented from taking up their place because they can't afford it. To the staff here, I say, be good role models. Fire the imaginations of your pupils. Open up a world of possibilities for them in the new Fiji and beyond our shores. Encourage them to be good citizens. Teach them well and care for them, especially the more vulnerable. To the 171 students, I say, care for each other, respect your teachers, and listen to their advice. Make good use of the new buildings and the new facilities. Keep them in good order for yourselves and future generations here. Take pride in your school and strive to develop a school spirit of teamwork and healthy competition in the classroom and on the sports field. You can feel proud to be the pioneering students of South Taveuni Secondary School. In future years, maybe when your own children are here, you can say, I was the first, and together we begin to build a reputation for excellence. Now what?